Hello, welcome to the Daryl's Tech Tips. Just wanted to make a quick tips video about the new law that's coming into effect January 1st of 2020 about having your videos um, kid friendly. I guess they don't want you to have your videos kid friendly due to some law coming out in 2020. Well, I figured I'd make a video on how to make your YouTube channel to where it's set to where it's not geared towards kids channels. I guess they're having a big stink about uh, kids under the age of 13 having their uh, data tracked, and they're passing a law in 2020 to fix it, I guess. But so just go to your YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube channel. Click Studio, YouTube Studio. Click the gear for the settings. Click Channel. Advance. Right here with the options. Yes, set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids, and this is the one you should select if you're not making content geared towards kids. Just click that, click save. Already clicked mine. Well, if you're making content that's geared towards kids, just leave the setting as is. But I figured I'd make this video because I have a couple friends on YouTube that are content creators, and I figured I'd share this with them to let them know about it so they can go in and adjust the settings if they so happen not know how to adjust those settings. So thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, get alerted of notifications when I drop a new video or go live. Thanks for watching. Peace.